goody. Welcome to Nailpunzel Diaries. If y'all like this look, stay tuned. I'm so excited to finally upload a nail video. And thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for tuning in, seriously. Because this vision's been in my head for months now. Like, since I was in school, and that was in the beginning of the year. But not only am I excited to share my first video, I'm happy because I finally made a successful video. Like, y'all don't understand how many times I've recorded videos and my hand wasn't in the camera, or it's just like the videos just wasn't successful. So, round of applause. And fair warning, my videos are not tutorials, and they probably might not ever be. I'm not really sure. But let me actually explain to y'all what the purpose of these videos is. So Nailpunzel Diaries it's just a platform where I'm just going to be sharing my nail journey, because I still consider myself a beginner nail tech. I haven't had that much experience for me to say I'm advanced. And not only that, I hope to inspire others. I'm stuttering and stuff. But yeah, I just feel like these types of videos is very important, because honestly, this industry is it's very competitive, just like anything else in this world. But like, this industry is really competitive. But I feel like watching videos of someone who starts from the same place as you, same level as you, provides motivation, at least for me. And like, I want to be able to provide that same motivation for anyone else, Also, and I just want to comment on the tutorial thing. I know I said that my videos might not ever be tutorials, and I say that because honestly, doing nails is an art. And you have to find your technique, your strengths, and your weaknesses. You feel me? And just following what someone else is doing, or just anything you saw, it's just, I don't feel like that's helpful. I mean, of course you can always watch somebody's work and try to mimic their actions, but unless you really develop your technique and everything, that technique or your technique, it won't really. Make you no say anything when you do, them must commend it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when they do, I they try to do on my way. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty so far we face. Just to make sure money day. But my people can go say I know one fight. I know one. It's not meant to be on. Like, when I started off in January 2019. I was still in college when I started off, and I was doing 2-ball and three-ball methods. And at that time, I didn't really know what they were called, because I just went into doing nails. Oh, okay, hold up, quick little story how I started doing nails. I actually found a bag of nails one day, and I'm low-key a hoarder. I just brung it with me, and I brung it with me to college. And one day I was cleaning up my dorm, and I found it, and I'd be bored, y'all. So I was like, all right, let me buy some stuff to use this. And I ordered acrylic and a machine. I ordered a bunch of stuff, everything that you needed off of Amazon, and that's how I started doing nails. I actually got into this is funny. I actually got into a fight like 2 days before my birthday, and the people that I had a fight with just was constantly posting me on social media, and basically people that visit my page from them, from the mentions and everything. So I was doing nails, and then they was just booking appointments. So I was booked and busy, and listen, all right. But anyways, back to like I was saying, When I first started doing nails back in January, in my opinion, I was laying acrylic better than what I do now. As y'all can see, I'm having a hard time. All right, but yeah, I started watching tutorials on how to lay one balls, proper way to do 3 ball methods. There's like a bunch of stuff, and I kind of like lost my way because I was trying to lay the acrylic the way other people were. Like, you feel me? So that's just the reason why I won't make mine into tutorials. But I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna play music and just enjoy my video, guys. This song is so old, right? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm about to switch it. You know, it's so crazy. All these songs be having the same beat. I just want to say something really quick. I know people probably watching my videos like, you do not file with that drill bit. The reason why I'm using that drill bit is because as y'all saw, I had a hard time laying the acrylic and it was pretty thick. So I used this drill bit to just help me remove all the excess acrylic, you know? And then I go in with the other drill bit and I smooth it out. And she was falling asleep, y'all. That's why her hand kept moving back and stuff. I wasn't burning her or anything. Another thing too, I don't feel like you're supposed to only file in one direction. Like when I first started doing nails and I used to file like up and down instead of side to side, people used to be like, my nail tech back home didn't do it. I'm like, listen, girl. But yeah, file any way that's comfortable for you. Like I said, develop your technique. Don't worry about nothing else. That's most important. All right, this is something that I say you can definitely take note on. I had like a huge problem with filing my things. Like when I did coffin, it would come out like a little roundish on the side. I don't really know how I explain it, but like the lines wasn't straight. Well, the walls wasn't straight. And I did watch tutorials on how to file for coffin and square shapes. And what I learned is that when you're filing, don't put the file under. Unless you really, really have to fix the shape. And what I mean by under, sheesh, I don't know how to explain this right now. All right, just press the file against the nail, like just like that, like right against it. Don't lean it slanted under. You can slant it on top, but you're really just supposed to lean it straight against the nail, file up and down, and your shape will come out perfect. And the reason why I'm filing like that with the nail, with her hand like that, is because I can see the nail the way she would see it, you know? And that it just helps way more with shaping the nail, so. I'm switching the song. I should have played some Vito. Do y'all know about Vito? He's a YouTube singer. Let me stop disrespecting him. He's probably not a YouTube singer anymore, but he started off on YouTube, and I love his songs. Like this right here. This is jelly, rhinestone jelly, or gem jelly, whatever you want to call it. You can get it off of Amazon, and I love it. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, just playing games. I know you say it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really found that action? You really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Way that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't post it. How that works? What you talking back that? Won't you say mine, say mine? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, just playing games. Yes. I blow your mind, honey. Say it one time, honey. Sick of them lies, tell them goodbye. Get in my ride, I wanna come back. I wanna just listen, get in your vibe, get in your feelings, get in your feelings, none of your business. I wanna get kissed. This was my favorite part. I was beasting and do abstract nails for so long, y'all. My mom finally let me do my own style on her. I'm about to put on a Vito song for y'all. Y'all gonna love it. Y'all gonna just thank me later, alright? I'm gonna put on Girls Need Love by him. Oh, wait. I can't do that. I got so much curses. Alright, I'm putting on Sydney Renee. If I could go back to the day we met, I would probably do it all over again. And I would choose not to be your friend. When you ask me, I'll just say I got a man. It wouldn't be no dates, it would be no staying late at my house. It would be no watching movies on my couch. Shit went left and I'm just trying to figure out. Said you'd always be my baby, then you bounce. How you gonna up and leave like that? When I gave you all I had, I gave you the real me, told you all my feelings, and you gonna turn around and front like you don't feel me. I put that on my life that I ain't see this coming. Opened up my heart, I should've never let you come in. But I wish you well though, that's all I could tell you. Maybe in your next life you'll find everything you wanted. I never thought that loving you would cause me pain. I'll never put a man before myself again. You should've told me that you wasn't certain. This ain't what I wanted, this ain't working. You was dead as my baby, love the shit out of you. Crazy shit, it's crazy how you could just turn around and try to play me. Boy, I know that we've been going through some things, but just keep it real is all I'm saying. I was the one loving you, I was the one covering you. Call me when you need me, I was the one coming through. Why didn't you believe in us? How come you just couldn't love? It wasn't that you didn't care, you just wasn't good enough. How you gonna up and leave like that? When I gave you all I had, I gave you the real me, told you all my feelings, and you gonna turn My fault, y'all. I'm just switching a song. I need to make a playlist or something. But it's kind of tricky because you can't play every song.
Yeah, I know what you're saying is the truth. Baby, don't tell nobody. No. Don't rub me off in front of company. No, we could work that out. Maybe we should work that out. Baby, we should work that out. You know, we could work that.
Man, this song is crazier than Vito songs. I could have just played that.
Sometimes in a row, you ain't gotta lie, 'cause it's going on five. And if you ain't in my bed, then you laying with a whole that love shit. I don't feel none of that. Like I'm numb to the veins and I'm done with the game, but I'm still here running back. 'Cause I already know your lingo. Talk to these you single. You know you really love pulling fast ones. She come home and act dumb.
Wow, she going crazy.
Even when you ain't inside, just hold it down, get your time. I've been holding back for a long while, just hoping soon it'll turn around. But I cannot word this. You ain't been perfect. Tell me you working it. Your phone loses service, and now I'm here thinking like this nigga tweaking. You sorry, pathetic and far from authentic. You liar, you front of you just like these other. As much as I hate you, I still wanna date you. You better just hope I don't. Down about it. Yeah, I know what you're saying is the truth. Baby, don't tell nobody.